The seats in the Bel Air are designed for maximum comfort, whether you're embarking on a long road trip or simply running errands around town. The front seats are spacious and supportive, with multiple adjustment options to ensure that drivers of all sizes can find their ideal seating position. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, making the Bel Air a practical choice for families or those who frequently carry passengers. The combination of vintage-inspired design elements and modern technology creates an interior environment that is both nostalgic and forward-thinking. When it comes to technology, the 2026 Bel Air is equipped with an impressive array of features designed to enhance the driving experience. The infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, with a responsive touchscreen that provides access to navigation, music, and connectivity options. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility come standard, allowing drivers to seamlessly integrate their smartphones with the vehicle. A premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, making every drive an immersive experience. Additionally, the Bel Air offers advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every journey. Under the hood, the 2026 Bel Air offers a range of powertrain options designed to deliver both performance and efficiency. The base model is equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that provides a balance of power and fuel economy, making it ideal for everyday driving. For those who crave more performance, Chevrolet offers a powerful V6 engine that delivers exhilarating acceleration and impressive passing power. Both engines are paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission that ensures a seamless driving experience. One of the standout features of the 2026 Bel Air is its hybrid powertrain option, a first for this iconic model. The hybrid system combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver enhanced fuel efficiency without compromising performance. This option is perfect for environmentally conscious drivers who want to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying the thrill. The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air is a remarkable blend of classic heritage and modern innovation, a car that brings back the timeless elegance of the past while pushing forward with cutting-edge technology and performance. As one of the most iconic names in American automotive history, the Bel Air holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. Chevrolet's decision to revive this legendary model for the modern age demonstrates the brand's commitment to honoring its legacy while embracing the future. With a design that pays homage to its classic predecessors, advanced features, and impressive performance, the 2026 Bel Air is set to captivate both nostalgic admirers and new generations of drivers. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Bel Air, it's clear that Chevrolet aimed to capture the essence of the classic models that defined an era. The design is a masterful blend of retro-inspired elements and contemporary styling cues. The front end features a bold grille reminiscent of the original Bel Air models from the 1950s, complete with chrome accents that exude a sense of timeless elegance. Sleek LED headlights seamlessly integrate into the overall design, providing a modern touch while maintaining the car's vintage-inspired aesthetic. The long, sweeping body lines give the Bel Air a sense of motion even when it's parked, while the muscular stance hints at the performance capabilities hidden beneath its stylish exterior. One of the most eye-catching features of the 2026 Bel Air is its two-tone color scheme, a nod to the classic models that often sported contrasting roof and body colors. Chevrolet offers a variety of color combinations, allowing buyers to customize their Bel Air to match their personal style. The attention to detail in the exterior design is truly impressive, from the carefully crafted chrome trim to the elegant badging that proudly displays the Bel Air name. The rear of the vehicle is equally striking, with sleek tail lights that pay homage to the iconic fins of the past while incorporating modern lighting technology for enhanced visibility and safety. Step inside the 2026 Bel Air, and you'll find a cabin that seamlessly blends vintage charm with modern luxury. Chevrolet has spared no expense in creating an interior that is both comfortable and visually appealing. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, with soft-touch surfaces, premium upholstery, and chrome accents that add a touch of sophistication. The dashboard design is clean and uncluttered, with a layout that places all controls within easy reach of the driver. A large digital display serves as the centerpiece of the infotainment system, providing access to a wide range of features and functions.